Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rahul, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Skullcandy in-ear headphones with model number S2DUDZ-012. I have bought it from flipkart.com for rupees 240 during clearance sale, and the MRP of these headphones is rupees 749, and the original selling price of these headphones is rupees 500. And I am going to also tell you how to check whether the headphones are genuine or duplicate. If you are going to buy these headphones, please use the link in the description. This will help the channel grow. Now let's just start. As you can see here on this side, you can see the sticker. That sticker contains UIC code, which is used for warranty. You have to scratch it here, and it will and the UIC code will be relieved. You have to, as is mentioned here, you have to send the code to 56263. If you don't see sticker like this on headphones, that means the headphones are not genuine. So guys, that's it. And one thing more I want to tell you, that don't peel off this sticker completely. This will void the warranty. You will not get the warranty if you peel off the sticker completely. Now let's just unbox the headphones and show you. Now guys, as you can see here, these headphones are blue in color, and these headphones doesn't come with any kind of mic for voice calling. They are just normal headphones. Skull Candy, there is also Skull Candy logo on both headphones, both sides of headphones. As you can see, there is also logo on dips of the headphones. You will also get two extra dips. These are small in size, so you can change the dips. So guys, that's it. Hope you like my video, and please do subscribe. Take care.